Hi and welcome back here in my small brigade. My name is Adrian Kniewald, and as you can see in the background, it's all about Lego. Today I would like to make a speed build, a review and an unboxing, and I decided to take a small set. This one, 540. It's a small dragon. I mean, it's the year of the dragon in China and I really like it. It's a small one, but because of it's so small, I need some help. And I decided he would like to say that he's a Lego freak. No, it's for me, it's a Lego master. And would you like to know who it is? It is my son, Dominik.
My name is Dominik.
Hi, welcome. We together will do it, but if you would like to see more, directly after the intro. So, welcome back. So, let's start the unboxing. Yeah, what's inside? Would you like to open it? Magst du es mal aufmachen, auspacken?
Yes.
Oh, my son speaks English. I love it. So, what do we have in here? Was haben wir denn da alles drin?
Mittel.
Medium, let's say medium. What's this? Mini.
Ja, Mini.
Oh, very small. Oh,
Eine halbe Portion.
a half portion. I hope the translation is right. I mean, I'm sorry for the. How do you call this noise? Knistern. I don't know it in English. Sorry for that. Yeah?
Eine große Portion und
Okay.
Platte.
And the plate. So a small, medium, big plate, and there's no instructions. Da keine Anleitung drin.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, there's the instruction. Ja, da ist die Anleitung. Sehr süß. Very nice. I thought it's. I mean, everybody bought already one. I'm sure everybody bought one. And there's a lot of pieces, gell? Also normalerweise sind da weniger Teile drin, gell?
Yes.
But sure. Schau mal. Der hat einen Drachenkopf. He has a dragon head on it. You can see it here. So you need more parts, but it's still a lot. Echt ein Haufen, gell?
Yes.
Ja. Und natürlich, and of course, the standard base plate. Is it base plate? The
Yes.
plate, let's say. Yeah, you say yes? I would say it's just a plate, but okay. No, my son. A base plate is what you have on the ground. Also eine Grundplatte, das wäre eine Grundplatte, aber das ist ja eine Bauplatte. So this is just a plate.
Grundplatte.
I'm sorry. No, it's not. We're not discussing I'm older than you. Okay. Sollen wir anfangen? Shall we start to build it?
Yes.
Yeah? Done? Let's start. in the year of the dragon, I would say it was great. It was funny. Wie fandst du es? How was it for you?
Yes.
Yes. Also war es gut? So it was good. He likes it, yeah? I love it, yeah? I will take a little bit nearer to us. What I really like on this set is the eyebrows were bananas. Oh, I'm sorry, there's the camera. The bananas. Oh, the dragon. And was fandst du besonders toll? What would you like? What do you like on the set? Sag's auf Deutsch.
Am tollsten fand ich ja die Lampe und noch hier die Augen und die Augenbrauen und hier den Apfel.
Ah, okay. What he likes, I would say everything. I mean, you can translate it, of course. Yeah. The lamp, the small lamp. It's really a nice small lamp, and but you also liked this. You said it looks like a cappy. Du hast doch gesagt, das sieht aus wie ein Cappy, yeah?
Yeah.
So the mouth of the dragon looks for the guy below like a cap, but it's the mouth of the dragon, and the eyes. What I really like, you can look him a little bit stupid, and I think we did it a little bit, yeah. And yeah, but it was funny. Yes, hat Spaß gemacht, das aufzubauen.
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Oh, we are learning English. Maybe he would like to do it one more time with me. Magst du mal wieder mit mir was bauen?
Total gerne.
Yeah, totally. Yes. So next time we'll do maybe also a small thing or a big one. This was the Brickhead 4540. Hey, there are some spare parts. My camera does not like to be moved, so I think we can use it for something else. Gell, wir können das für irgendwas anderes noch gebrauchen, oder?
Ja, das bauen wir halt irgendwo ein.
Yeah, we'll build it. We'll put it somewhere else. We'll find something. But until then, if you like it, you can click the and you can write below, and you can write something. Yeah, schreibt was, yeah. We'll be very happy about it, and especially, how did you like my son? I mean, it was funny with him. It was the first time I built something with him for the video. And maybe we'll do it one more time. In the back we have a few more sets, small and big, but we'll start with the small one. So stay safe, stay healthy, and hopefully see you next time. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.